How do I download audiobooks from the OhioLINK Electronic Book Center? Welcome to the Terra State Community College Library Zone. Today we will learn how to access ebooks from the OhioLINK Electronic Book Center. The Scholarly and Reference eBook collection contains electronic books purchased by Ohio academic libraries from these publishers: ABC CLIO Educational Reference Books, encyclopedias, handbooks, biographical collections, and guides on many specialized topics, primarily in the humanities and social sciences. Gale reference books, published by Thomson Gale, including a few reference books from Macmillan, Sauer, and Scribner. Oxford University Press, important scholarly books, both classic and newly published works in the humanities and social sciences. Imprints include Oxford University Press, Oxford, Oxford University Press, USA, and Clarendon Press. You can also access this collection on the Oxford Scholarship online platform at oxfordscholarship.com. Sage encyclopedias and reference handbooks from the Sage e-reference catalog of social sciences. Springer, high-quality scientific, technological, and medical books. Springer imprints include A-Press, Birkhauser, Physica Verlag, Steinkopf, and others. You can also access this collection on the Springer Link platform at link.springer.com. To use the OhioLINK Electronic Book Center, go to the OhioLINK Electronic Book Center homepage, ebooks.ohiolink.edu. You may select to search the Scholarly and Reference Collection or the American and English Literature Collection. Click on one of the choices. Then click on the Browse button. It will allow you to search either by keyword, advanced search, or command line. Let's do a keyword search. I'm looking for books on automobiles. Type in automobiles and click on the search button. Your results will appear. Choose the title you want. In the right-hand corner of the book citation, find the word Add. Click on the word Add. In the upper right-hand corner of the screen, you will see the word Book Bag. A number shows you how many titles you have added to your book bag. Click on the word Book Bag. In the upper left-hand corner of the screen, you will see the phrase Email my book bag. Click on that phrase. Type in your email address. Click on the Submit button. Check your email box for a message listing the title or titles you selected and the URL for each title. Your Scholarly and Reference eBook Collection Book Bag. Item number 1. Kevin Hillstrom and Lori Collier Hillstrom, Industrial Revolution in America, Automobiles, 2006. Copy and paste the URL into your favorite search engine browser. The book, its table of contents, and a sample of the text should appear. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the friendly and knowledgeable Terra State Library Zone staff, either by emailing library@terra.edu or call 419-559-2318. As always, thanks for visiting the Terra State Library Zone.